Hello everyone, today we will have a look at this Kogan robot vacuum cleaner. Model number, I believe this is called the Ultra Clean G20. I'm not sure. It's just a basic vacuum cleaner, not a smart one. It doesn't have okay, it's beeping. It doesn't have the LiDAR, so it cannot see its way on the house, but it will navigate. We have three big sensors, one on the front and two on the sides, and three also sensors on the button to sense if it's on the edge or whatever. That's all to it. There are no other sensors. There's no bumper here. Usually other models they have bumper with the sensor, so if it's bumps on something it sense. No brush here, only the vacuum. This is the compartment for the dust, and it has the motor inside built in. So now this is just a robot. We'll put this behind. We have a mop here, but it's just passive. There's no wash or nothing, so you wet it and it will do the job. Error codes. All these are the error codes. These are the charging pads. The charging dock is missing. Only two buttons, on off, and the one that send it back to the charging dock, which is missing, so we cannot test it. So turn it on. Let's see if it's gonna fall from the edge or not. You can see it senses the edge, but it's blind. It's bumping all over the place. So I pressed the go home button to go to the docking station. It's almost fell because it has no sensors at the back. So when it's reverse it can fall. All the sensors are here. Anyways, let's check what the website says about it. Kogan Ultra Clean G20 Vacuum Robot. It comes with the remote control, but the remote control is missing, and the 2600 milliamps hour battery. That's how it looks from different angles, and that's how it navigates. That's the claim. I tell you other models navigate randomly, but from my experience it doesn't navigate randomly. This is the docking station, which is missing. These are the accessories. can climb carpet. Yeah, so that's the information. It's an old model. Let's test it on the ground. Let's hit the home button. Looking for the base, but we don't have the base, so let's see what it's gonna do. We'll start bumping randomly. Still looking. Let's take it apart and see what's inside. The docking station is missing, but you still can charge it through this socket with just a normal AC adapter. It requires 14 volts, but I charged it with 12 volt and it worked fine. And the warranty seal, so it's never been opened. Except for these, I think, battery here or something being replaced. Yeah, and this is it. So these are the sensors. And on the side, this looks like infrared receiver. And this is probably transmitter here, and this is receiver. And this is the other one. So transmitter, receiver, and here. Let's see if we can. We cannot. Yeah, so these are the only sensors we have. 6. That's the main processor, the brain, the 2 buttons, there's that. Okay, so this is the power button. Yeah, it will shut down by itself. So there is no switch for the wheels, I thought it senses when you take it up because there's a micro switch or something, but this looks like there's none. The circuit board is coated with something. 2019. That's the date code. September 2019. Revision 1.2. So this one, it doesn't have any Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, any connectivity. Yeah, the battery is down there. Okay, so this is the sensor. Looks like we have two infrared and ultraviolet transmitters and two receivers, maybe. These are the ones that looking down. So these types of robot vacuum cleaners, the ones without the LiDAR, is basically blind. It cannot see the room. It only senses when there's something close by. And it will not remember the layout of the room. So every time it's like the first time. It will be nice to modify it and make it something interesting. Let's open this and see the motor, the vacuum motor. But how do you open it? There's one screw here. Okay, so that's the filter and that's the motor. So that's the tiny motor that does all the cleaning, does all the suction and the cleaning. Very tiny. And that's the battery, 2600 milliamps hour. That's it, cheap Kogan vacuum cleaner. I forgot to connect the batteries to the motherboard, so I have to take it apart again. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you want to see more teardowns of robot vacuum cleaners, click somewhere here. Thank you for watching.